Hi, it's Starla from Starla's Creative Teaching Tips, and I thought I would do a fun little lesson out here in Florida with you, okay? This guy right here is called a cypress tree. Now, he's an interesting cypress tree because he turns kind of yellowish. You see him in brown. He looks like he's dying, but actually, unlike most cypress trees, he will actually drop all of his needles. And so he's called a bald cypress tree. Now here's what's neat about cypress. You usually find them living in the water, okay? Now, what's interesting also is that you know that trees, grass, you know the leaves, they take in carbon dioxide and they turn it into sugar, glucose, which of course fuels the tree and gives it life, and it's the food for it. In return, it will release oxygen, which we, of course, we love because that's what we breathe. But wait a minute, there's one part of the plant, all plants, that are like us, and that's the roots. The roots of a plant, of a tree, they take in oxygen, they burn the oxygen and the glucose in order to get energy to grow and release CO2, just like us. But they can't breathe if they're in water. So if you overwater a plant, that's why it dies, because the roots drown. So that's why you're supposed to make sure that the water can go through and go out so the plant doesn't drown. Now, these guys actually live in water. So it's been suggested that these little, you see these? These are called knees. Yeah, just like your knee, it's a knee, and it has been suggested, hypothesized, that they're actually like little straws that can bring oxygen down to the roots to keep the roots alive. So cypress are one of those cool trees that can live in water. And all you gotta do is look around, and if you see the knees, you know you got a cypress. So the next time you're around ponds like in Florida or Georgia, or even at the Riverwalk in San Antonio, you'll see these knees. And if you see the knees, you got yourself a cypress tree. That's it for now. Go out in the world and make a positive difference in the world and keep learning and having fun. Bye for now.